Hello everyone. I installed Windows 10 about a week ago. I installed the 64-bit version. In order to have a clean install, I did not update it from Windows 7 or Windows 8, but made a fresh install on my computer and hoping it would work perfectly. However, I had a problem regarding my pointer. My mouse was lagging over the desktop and that was no way for me to work in general. I tried rebooting my computer a few times. That did not solve the problem. I entered the device manager, found the mouse and the driver of it. Tried to update the driver, uninstall it, disable it. I tried to uninstall the hardware altogether. That did not solve the problem. What was left for me to do was to enter the task manager. Entering the task manager is done by clicking Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Once you did that, you find what controls your mouse. In my case, since it's a Microsoft mouse, it's an iPoint.exe. You right-click on Properties and you enter the iPoint properties. You found the compatibility. Where in compatibility, you can place a V right here and run this program in compatibility mode for the operating system. In my case, was the last time it was working properly was Windows 7. So I clicked it by running as it was on Windows 7, hit apply and OK, and ever since there's no mouse lagging on the computer, on my desktop, there's no pointer freeze, everything works perfectly. I hope that's a good solution for you too. Have a nice day.